Hey guys, welcome to my next vlog. For the next two vlogs, I'm going to be dedicating these two to Al and Barb McDonald. They were the founders of this place. It's got over 400 acres. It's a camp in Arkansas called Shepherd of the Ozarks, or SOTO for short. Hey, my name is Ruslan. Welcome to my next vlog. So I'm here at Shepherd of the Ozarks. I will be exploring with you more, but I just wanted to show you this is the roadway that will lead to the camp. I've been going to this camp for about nearly 15 years, but in the last 7 years I wasn't able to. I made it to the top of the mountains of Shepherd of the Ozarks, and reason I stopped here, I wanted to show you something. So there was at one time about 10 to 15 years ago, they didn't have cell phone service here, so this was the spot where you would have to come in. That's my car. You would have to come in, park your car right there, make the cell phone call, whatever you have to do, sometimes check your internet, your emails, and then you would head back down that gate. Hey, so my group, there's about 7 of us that's helping this week. We're going to be staying at this firehouse lodge. It's got a basketball court and it's got a coffee shop. So let's go explore inside the lodge before everybody else gets here. This unique piece was dedicated to Al and Barb McDonald and the SOTO staff from George and Alexandra Good. Stay tuned for part 2 of Shepherd of the Ozarks Camp.